Okay, my doc's pretty much done. I added some sub docs. So that's it for that for now. Anyways, if you want to change your system sound, like there's another Ubuntu distro called Ubuntu Studio, and I really like their system sounds. And fortunately, it's in your Synaptic. So just open up your system, administration, Synaptic. Give your password, whatever, and okay, here it goes. Now just type I believe it's just Ubuntu sounds. ubuntu sound sounds. There it is, Ubuntu Studio Sounds, right here. Click on it, mark for installation. Now hit apply, and hit apply. It's only a couple of kilobytes, not too big. Come on. There it goes. It's done. Alright. Now to change your system sounds, you have to go to your sound preferences, and it's in your sound indicator over here. So let me just close this off. Go to sound preferences. Now go to sound effects right here. Now where it says sound theme, click studio. And if you like, you can enable button sounds. So if you click on that, I guess you can raise the volume as well. When you open and close windows, or you click on little toggles and little stuff like that, it'll make a little sound effect. I kind of like it, it's not too bad. So close that off. Now I went ahead and downloaded a mouse cursor theme from Gnome Look. It's called Aqua Nuke X. So to install mouse cursors, it's basically the same thing as if you're installing icons and themes. So just click on your theme tab right here and drag it in, hit apply, and there it goes. So now I got my mouse theme going. Let me throw this in the trash real quick. Close that. Alright. Well, let me get rid of this. It's been bugging me all day. So remove. I don't need that anymore. Alright, now for some wallpapers. I used to get a lot of wallpapers from this place, but I don't know if they're still active or not. But if you go through it, you can still find a lot of cool stuff in here. But I would highly recommend just going to a torrent site and download like a wallpaper pack, like some HD, nature or abstract or whatever you're into. That just saves time of actually going through web page after web page after web page trying to find wallpapers. This way you just get a bunch of them and you just go through them. If you like them, keep them. If you don't, toss them. And also there's another one that I like, that from I can tell it's always up to date. They're always adding new stuff, and whoever's doing these are doing an awesome job. They're really good wallpapers, especially the abstract ones. I really like them. So anyways, I picked one out already, so I'm just going to grab it right here. And what am I using? Firefox? So I should be able to grab and drag it. So I'm just going to drag it off and drop it. There it is. Right click, set as background or wallpaper. There you go. It has like a cool little colory kind of steel looking thing to it. Let me move it to trash. Okay, so now I got my my dot going, got the wallpaper, I got my mouse cursor going, Compiz is going, I got my my Nautilus elementary with my icons, my favorite, the Fenza, along with the little background thing I made for it. And what else did I do? Oh yeah, and the panel transparency. So with this theme, I have it set with the compiz, the one I showed you in a previous video. So let me launch that. CC. Okay. Now go back to my opacity and brightness. Click on that and lower it down just a couple hairs. Press OK. Now I got a slight opacity in my, transparency in my panel. Put it there so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. See? Or you can do the other way I showed you with the file hack, I guess. And you know, of course, the the cube is also going. So yeah, there's a lot you can do with the Gnome desktop, and you know, compiz and just Linux in general. So I hope you like these videos. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm open for suggestions on other videos, and probably after this, what I'm going to do is make my own wallpaper. So the next video will probably be a GIMP tutorial. So see you then.